Hey, welcome to my brand new series all about art, creativity, and saving some coins while we do it. Today I'm kicking things off with this cozy little project, a DIY pumpkin art card that's handmade, personalized, and cost me less than $3 to make. Yes, you heard me right. It's under $3 and it's something totally unique that you can gift, you can frame, or keep it for yourself. If you love the idea of affordability, creativity, and adding that personal touch to your art, then you're going to feel right at home here. So here's what I'm using: a blank card. You can find those anywhere. I happen to get a pack of 10, a few color pencils, and markers. That's it. Nothing fancy, just the stuff that I already had in my art stash. I think that's what I really love about this series. I'm showing how to make art that's simple, beautiful, and doesn't require a shopping spree. So thanks for locking in with me and watch as I sketch this cute little pumpkin with all the colors of fall. So as I started sketching this, I started thinking about how something so small like this pumpkin can make you feel all kinds of cozy vibes. This is the kind of art you can do while you're sipping your coffee, watching your favorite show, which is what I was doing, or just relaxing after a long day. And the best part about it is that it's handmade. That means it's one of a kind. No two cards will ever look exactly the same. So with that in mind, you could draw pumpkins, little mugs of cocoa, or fall leaves. Anything that feels like the season to you. Through this coloring process, I'm layering warm shades of yellow, orange, gold, brown, and green. It's amazing how relaxing this part can be. And it's very simple. To create this pumpkin, all I did was a series of ovals. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you're coloring along, take your time. Let it be about the process, not perfection. That's really what this whole series is about: finding joy in creating something simple, affordable, and made with love. Every line, every shade adds that personal touch, the kind that store-bought cards just cannot give you. Now here's the cool thing about these handmade cards. You actually get more than one use out of them. I don't want to tell you how many cards I have in a shoebox right now. You can send them to a friend or family member, frame them as seasonal decor, or you can even use them as a small print to display on your desk. It's like creating tiny pieces of art that double as thoughtful gifts. That's the kind of creativity that really stretches your dollar and your imagination. This is just the first in my new DIY holiday art card series. I'll be making more hand-drawn, budget-friendly pieces for every season and occasion. And I'm always up for suggestions. So if there's a season or occasion that you want to see me draw, let me know in the comments. My goal on this creative art journey is to show that you don't need expensive supplies and you don't need to be a professional to make something meaningful. Sometimes the most beautiful art is the kind that comes straight from your heart and costs less than a coffee. So as I'm wrapping up, I wanted to know, does this inspire you to try a little handmade magic of your own? Leave a little pumpkin emoji in the comments and let me know what kind of card you'd make. Please like and subscribe. Check out all the playlists that I have for more creative ideas that are good for your soul and for your wallet. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'm gonna go and get back to the drawing board.